The MK Morse Company has a wide offering of bimetal and reciprocating saw blades. We specialize in metal cutting applications as well as demolition and solid wood. Manufactured in Canton, Ohio, here are the steps we take to make hundreds of thousands of blades every single day. The first step in making a bimetal recip is welding the high-speed steel tooth material to the alloy steel backer. We use a laser welding process that melts the two strips together. We inspect every foot of material to ensure a quality weld joint between the teeth and the backer. We then anneal the weld to ensure it can withstand further processing without cracking. We soak the material in an annealing furnace for up to 24 hours to prepare it for the next step. After annealing, the material is sent through our rolling mill. This smooths out the weld joint and flattens the material to the correct thickness. We then pack the strips together to cut the teeth in the material. A milling cutter that matches the desired tooth form and TPI is selected, and then the teeth are cut into strips about 6 inches at a time. Once the teeth are cut, we add kerf to the blade. Through a processing step called setting, the teeth are bent in a pattern from side to side. Carbide inserts push the teeth to the desired angle and automated inspection equipment monitors the results. This guarantees consistency in our products and performance. Next, we must harden the blades to be able to cut metal, wood, or nail-embedded wood. The material is run through a hardening furnace and then tempered. The material exits the furnace red hot before cooling down and being recoiled. Once the strip is prepared, we separate the coil into individual blades with a high-speed punch. The press removes the section between blades, which leaves behind the completed parts. The blades are then transferred to a powder paint line to add the rust-preventing paint. The last step is adding the Morse branding with an ultraviolet printer. Then the blades are packaged into containers and ready to ship out to customers. Thanks for watching How It's Made Bimetal Recip Edition. Follow our channel to learn more about our extensive line of cutting solutions.